what's going on, y'all, man? This is the first meal of the day. Be serving it up the Reed's way. So yeah, I got my omelet, source of protein, and for carbs, I got me some French toast. You feel me? And what I'm gonna do, sprinkle a little bit of that creatine on there. Check it out right here. And voila. Let's dig in, folks. Let's dig in. Feel me? I mean, this one ain't really a meal, but you know, a little smoothie just to get some calories in. You feel me? But what it has in it, you know, is this fruit smoothie, and then you got like creatine and all of that good stuff in there. Just you know, just to keep my weight up and everything since I'm bulking, but I don't really count this as a meal. But you know, just a little supply of extra calories in there. All right, and now I'm gonna have like a little later, I'm gonna have meal too. Feel me? Alright, lunchtime. Yeah, this is what I usually eat for my lunch. Sometimes I like to switch it up. So got some white rice and some eggs mix it in with a little bit of chicken and some avocado. Just keeping it healthy all around. Definitely got both carbs and protein, bulking, of course, if you're trying to lose weight, just lower down the calorie intake and eat a smaller portion. But that's what we got, man. Let's dig in. Pretty good. Alright, y'all, the last meal of the night. One of my favorites, fettuccine alfredo. Got the chicken in there. Sometimes I do with shrimp, but yeah, that's what we got. And yeah, y'all, this is pretty much what I eat in a day. Definitely gonna help you guys definitely get those gains. But don't take my word for it, man. Just try it out and see how your body reacts to it. For real. But yeah. Well, folks, there you have it, man. Yeah, that's pretty much what I eat in a day. I tend to switch it up every now and again, man. Yeah, I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all, man, like if y'all interested in the meal plan, even if y'all interested in me kind of showing y'all like how I prep these meals and all of that, the recipe, just let me know. Put in the comment section. Definitely make sure to like and subscribe. It's up to y'all. I know me personally, I had to switch up the way I eat. I had to run all over like several plateau humps because my goal was to put on as much muscle mass as possible and gain weight, because naturally I'm just a slender built dude, so it's harder for me, and then my metabolism is a little faster, so I just had to eat like stock up on carbs, protein, and pretty much that's what bulked me up. But for the longest I wasn't doing it right. Like I thought I was eating enough, but I wasn't, and I wasn't really keeping track of my calories. I still don't really keep track of it, but now I just kind of eat till a point like I'm really, really full and stuff. And what happens is your stomach expands, and like if you keep doing this repetitively, same thing with working out. If you keep doing this repetitively over time, your stomach gonna be like, wait, man, he's filling me up too much, and then like that's how you start to gain weight, And I call this a plateau hump, So yeah, once you kind of go over that plateau hump mark and stuff, eventually you'll lose weight. I mean, you'll gain weight. This what I had to do. I noticed good results from it. But like, thing is, you gotta eat, man. You gotta like really, really eat. It's hard, easier said than done. To me personally, it's way harder than like doing the workouts itself. But Trust me, man. Like it's the only way. And then too, like some people body reacts to it differently. I know me personally. Uh, you know, I tend to gain weight in the right places. But it all depends on your workout routine, also. And your metabolism. That's something to keep in mind. Uh, definitely, definitely like take creatine and stuff, and then you could take protein powder also, but creatine is what really like helps bulk you up for fast. And for people who ain't familiar with it does, what it really does is stores like water retention inside your body and all of that. But yeah, man, like but yo, man, definitely like hit me up if this is something y'all interested in. Definitely make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and everything. I'm gonna try like post a little bit more often and get as much videos out as possible. But with that being said, man, peace.